質問です。Question。私は教師です。私が教師です。どっちが正しいですか？ Which is correct? 3、2、1。答えは The answer is どっちもかな。こんにちは、皆さん、マヨです。今日は皆さんにparticle、助詞のはとがを教えます。Today I'm teaching you particle は and が。
Particle is very important, but it's difficult to understand and master 100%. Today I'll teach you 2 main functions of wa and 4 main functions of ga. Okay?
いくぞ！まずははを教えます。は is written as は but when you use it as a particle, then you have to pronounce it as わ。わ。What? What is called topic particle because it marks topic. In English, what can be translated in as for or speaking of. 例文を見てみましょう。例文 is example. Let's see the example. 私は教師です。私は教師です。私 is I. は is topic particle. 教師is teacher. You can also say sensei for teacher, but I guess kyoshi is more formal. Yes. Question here. What is the verb in this sentence? It's this. This is a verb in this sentence. Please remember, in Japanese language, the verb always comes at the end. So in this sentence, this is a verb, not wa. Wa is just a topic particle, so it shows watashi is the topic of this sentence. So I'm just letting you know that I'm going to talk about me because I love me and I am a teacher. So when I'm introducing myself and I want to say I'm a teacher, then I can say watashi wa kyoshi desu, like that. In this sentence, the main focus is kyoshi, not watashi. Watashi is just a topic. And the main focus is kyoshi. I'm not a student, I am a teacher. Another example. これは私のサンダルです。これは私のサンダルです。これ this は particle サンダル is like this. This the verb. So this is my sandal. これは私のサンダルです。Again, これ is just a topic and the main focus is my sandal. 私のサンダル。Okay, another example is 明日は雨です。明日は雨です。明日 is tomorrow. 雨 is rain. So literally it means as for tomorrow, it's gonna rain. Tomorrow is gonna rain. は has another function as contrast marker. It shows the contrast of two things. But I'll get back to contrast marker function later. And before that, I want to explain you about ga. Ga is called subject particle. So it comes after the subject. Ga has many usages, but I will teach you 4 main categories of ga. First category, indicating existence. Ga あります or がいます。例文を見てみましょう。For example, 姉がいます。姉がいます。I have an elder sister. 姉 is elder sister. が subject particle. います。います means to exist. So, literally, elder sister exists. But in English, I have an elder sister. So, います can be translated in exist or have. Another example is あそこに猫がいます。あそこに猫がいます。あそこに over there 猫 cat がいます。います exist. So there is a cat over there. If you wanna say human or animals exist, then someone がいます。 if you want to say some non-living things exist, then something があります。ここに椅子があります。ここに椅子があります。Let's put this here. ここに in here 椅子 the chair あります exist ここに椅子があります There is a chair here. Second category to describe how it is. In this category, the sentence becomes A が B です。A が B です。A should be some kind of noun, human, things, anything. And B should be adjectives. For example, 人が多いです。人が多いです。人 person, human が多い多い means a lot 人が多いです You can also put something before 人が For example, 東京は人が多いです東京は人が多いです東京 is Tokyo Wa is topic particle I'm letting you know I'm gonna talk about Tokyo And in Tokyo, there are so many people. Another example, 大阪はご飯が美味しいです。大阪はご飯が美味しいです。In Osaka, as for Osaka, ご飯 food が美味しい、美味しい、tasty です。In Osaka, food is tasty.And this is true. In Osaka, food is cheap and tasty. I love Osaka. Yes. Another example. インドはガンジス川が有名です。インドはガンジス川が有名です。インド、インディアはガンジス川、ガンガ、ガンジスリバーが有名。有名 is famous.So in India, Ganges River is famous. Also, in this structure, you can say 私はマンゴーが好きです。私はマンゴーが好きです。私 is I, mango is mango, and 好きです means like. Oh, wait a minute. Like is verb. So why are you mixing adjectives and verbs?Actually, 好き is adjective in Japanese language. I know, like is verb in English, right? And like is 好き in Japanese. But 好き is な形容詞. So you can say 私はマンゴーが好きです in this structure. Another similar example is 私はマンゴーが欲しいです。私はマンゴーが欲しいです。欲しい is want in English. So want is verb. Again, in Japanese language, 欲しい is adjective. Another example is 私は時間が欲しいです。私は時間が欲しいです。時間 means time. So I want time. Well, in more natural Japanese, I can say 私はもっと時間が欲しいです。もっと means more. So, I want more time. 私はもっと時間が欲しいです。Yes. In some tutorials, this が is explained as an object marker. So, 私は時間が欲しいです。In this sentence, 私 is a subject and 時間が this is an object and 欲しいです this is a verb.So you don't have to get confused. It's just the matter of how the teacher explained the grammar to you. It's not easy for a teacher to explain because it depends on how we categorize and how we see it. But don't worry, exam doesn't ask you what is subject or what is object. You just have to compose the correct sentence. Next, category number 3, focusing on topic. It's similar to topic marker, but the difference is it focuses on the topic. For example, 私が教師です。私が教師です。I am the teacher, but not other people. I already explained 私は教師です。 But you can also say 私が教師です。And with が, it focuses more on the topic. 私が教師です。So imagine in school, I'm a teacher, but I'm running late to the class. And some mafia is taking the class to hijack the classroom. And a mafia is pretending like a teacher to hijack the class. And I run, and me, the real teacher, open the classroom and say, "What are you doing? I am the real teacher." In this case, I would say, 私が教師です. Yeah, but it's my bad that I got late. Anyway, so if I want to say, I am the teacher, not anyone else, then I would say 私が教師です. Another example. これはマヨさんの水ですか? いえいえ、これが私の水です. First person says, これはマヨさんの水ですか? Means, is this your water? In this sentence, the main focus is your water. Is this your water or someone else's water? I don't know. That's why I'm asking, is this your water? And Mayo is answering with, いえいえ、これが私の水です。これが私の水です。これが This is my water. The main focus is これ. Not that one, but this one. I wanted to focus on this one. That's why I put が instead of は. Another example, if you want to say, who is coming? Who is coming? You would say, 誰が来ますか? 誰が来ますか? 誰 means who, and 来ます means come. So, who is coming? 誰が来ますか? You cannot say 誰は来ますか because the topic is obviously 誰, who, right? That's why you say 誰が来ますか, not 誰は来ますか. Lastly, category number 4. The subject is non-living things. 例えば, for example, 雨が降っています. 雨が降っています. 雨 is rain. 降っている. The original form is 降る. The rain is falling. The rain is falling. It's raining. You can also say お金が降ってきた. お金が降ってきた. You know, in some movies and animes, sometimes the money comes down from the sky and people are like, wow, お金が降ってきた. I want to see that. But in this sentence, お金が降ってきた. お金 is money. Actually, 金 is money, but we put o before money to make it sound more polite. 降ってきた. 降る is fall, and 来た it's actually the past tense of come. So it's like fall and come. Another example is like あ、帽子が落ちた. 帽子が落ちた. 帽子 is hat, and 落ちた is past tense of 落ちる, and 落ちる means drop or fall. So 帽子が落ちた. 帽子が落ちた. I dropped my hat. わかりましたか? Did you understand? That's all for が, and let's get back to は again. As I said, は has two functions. Most of the time it is topic marker. It marks topic and that's it. But sometimes it is used as a contrast marker. It shows contrast of two things. For example, if I want to say I have time, what would you say? 3, 2, 1. 時間があります. 時間があります. Remember, if you want to say something exists, you can say があります. があります. So, I would say 時間があります. 時間があります. But if I want to say I have time, but I don't have money, then I would say 時間はあります. でもお金はありません. 時間はあります. でもお金はありません. Many students might be in the same situation. They have time, but they don't have money. Right? ありません is the negative form of あります. So, あります, ありません. I have, I don't have. Another example, if you want to say I like manga, how would you say? 3, 2, 1. 私は漫画が好き。But to make it simple, let's not say 私は。So, 漫画が好きです。漫画が好きです。But if you want to say I like manga, but I don't like anime, then you have to say 漫画は好きです。でも、アニメは好きではありません。漫画は好きです。でも、アニメは好きではありません。Or you can say 漫画は好きです。でも、アニメは嫌いです。嫌いです means I hate it. Wait, who would like only manga and not anime? Well, if you're talking about specific anime or specific manga, it happens, right? For example, I like Tokyo Ghoul's manga, but I don't like the anime of Tokyo Ghoul. Then someone might ask you, do you like Tokyo Ghoul? And then you can answer, 漫画は好きだけど、アニメは好きじゃない。Like that. Okay, last example. If I want to say I eat egg, then I would say, 私は卵を食べます。私は卵を食べます。卵 is egg. So, in this sentence, I use the particle を, which I haven't explained it yet. を marks object. And that's all you have to know right now. And another video, I will explain about を, okay? If I want to say, I eat egg, but I don't eat meat, then I would say, 私は卵は食べます。でも、肉は食べません。私は卵は食べます。でも、肉は食べません。I can say like this. Okay, that's all for today and let's review it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. And also please turn on the notifications so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay? I explained wa and ga today. Wa has two functions. One topic particle. For example, 私は教師です。私は教師です。wa is the topic marker. So it suggests that 私 is the topic of this sentence. And the main focus is on 教師. So 私 is the topic and the main focus is 教師。私は教師です。And as a contrast marker, it shows contrast of two things. For example, 時間はあります。でもお金はありません。時間はあります。でもお金はありません。So it doesn't have to be two things, but it contrasts one thing and the other. And ga particle is called subject particle. And ga has a lot of usages and those usages can be categorized into 4. And category number 1, it indicates the existence. For example, 姉がいます。姉がいます。姉 sister exists. Or 帽子があります。帽子があります。The hat exists. I have a hat. And category number 2, describe how the things are. And for this, you can follow this structure. 東京は人が多いです。東京は人が多いです。東京は is the topic. 人が this is the subject. And 多いです。多い is an adjective. And you can also say 私は犬が好きです。私は犬が好きです。私は is topic. 犬が 犬 is dog. And 好きです。好き is like. 好き is actually an adjective. So you can use the same structure. 私は犬が好きです。Also, 私は水が欲しいです。私は水が欲しいです。I want water. Again, 欲しい is actually an adjective in Japanese. So, 私は水が欲しいです。You can say like this. Category number 3, similar to は but it focuses on the topic type. 私が教師です。私が教師です。It's saying, I am the teacher, not that person. The focus is on 私 and 私が教師です。I am the teacher. Okay? And lastly, category number 4, the subject is non-living thing. For example, 雨が降っている。雨が降っている。 It's raining. Or 帽子が落ちた。帽子が落ちた。帽子 is non-living thing subject and 落ちた is a verb. Okay, that's all for today and I hope you understand about wa and ga. If you have further questions, please write down on the comments below so that I can answer to you. Particle is a little bit complicated and it has many usages, so I cannot cover everything in one video. And if I get similar questions a lot, then I will make another video to explain more about this topic. And yeah, that's all. And thank you for watching. 動画をご視聴いただきありがとうございました。またね。バイバーイ。